3, 2, 1.
Which gas is released when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid? The answer is D, chlorine. What is the sum of all the prime numbers below 10? The answer is C, 16. Which hormone is responsible for controlling growth and development? The answer is D, growth hormone. What were the dodo's closest living relatives in nature? The answer is D, pigeons. What aircraft did John McCain Roman 3 fly while in the military? The answer is D, A4 Skyhawk. Which Academy Award-winning movie is this quote from? The answer is B, Unforgiven. What popular cocktail is made simply by mixing vodka and orange juice? The answer is D, screwdriver. What is the meaning of the Hebrew toast El Chaim? The answer is A, to life. Which book is not by J.K. Rowling? The answer is D, A Thousand Splendid Suns. What author described a day in the life of Mrs. Dalloway, who goes around London in the morning, getting ready to host a party? The answer is B, Virginia Woolf. Who designed the first automobile with a front-mounted engine? The answer is D, Gottlieb Daimler. Who is the Hindu god associated with wisdom and knowledge? The answer is A, Brahma. What organs filter wastes from blood so they can be excreted from the body? The answer is D, kidneys. Which of the following U.S. presidents was born in Massachusetts? The answer is C, George H.W. Bush. What is Caitlin's girlfriend's name on Kashmir Mafia? The answer is B, Alicia Lawson. Who developed the humanistic approach in psychology? The answer is B, Maslow. Which type of beans are used to make baked beans? The answer is B, haricot. What is the Italian word for 6? The answer is C, say. Which country does not border Russia? The answer is D, Belarus. In the pilot episode of The Dick Van Dyke Show, what does Laura find when she goes to throw something away in the garbage can under the kitchen sink? The answer is A. Richie. In which book series does Hermione Granger appear? The answer is A. Harry Potter. What Academy Award-winning movie, directed by the Coen brothers, features a pregnant small-town police chief? The answer is A. Fargo. What is the traditional African string instrument with a large calabash resonator? The answer is B. Balafon. What actor portrayed U.S. President George W. Bush in Oliver Stone's 2008 movie W? The answer is B. Josh Brolin. In Aztec mythology, who was the god of war and the moon? The answer is A. Huitzilopochtli. Which school supply helps organize notes and papers? The answer is D. Clip. Which element is used to light a bulb? The answer is A. Hydrogen. What is the name given to the study of plants and their environment? The answer is B. Botany. Which ocean is not surrounded by any continent? The answer is D. Southern. Which one of the following is not a Nintendo handheld device? The answer is D. Nintendo Up. What was the name of the fifth album recorded by the Cardigans? The answer is D. Long Gone Before Daylight. Which sitcom features the characters Joey, Chandler, Ross, and Rachel? The answer is D. Friends. In the movie Monsters, Inc., Mike Wazowski takes his girlfriend Celia Mee out to dinner in what type of restaurant? The answer is A. Sushi. Which object contains ink to write with? The answer is A. Pen. What is the name given to a quadrilateral where two opposite sides are parallel and each angle between them is a right angle? The answer is C. Square. Ice cream in a bowl changed from solid to liquid in a few minutes. Which of the following most likely caused this change? The answer is B. Heat was added to the ice cream. Which river flows through Rio de Janeiro? The answer is D. Rio. I write, but can't read. Who am I? The answer is A. Pen. Which utensil is often used with soup? The answer is A. Knife. Which sitcom takes place in a hangout called The Golden Girls? The answer is D. Golden Girls. Which Greek hero was known for his strength and courage? The answer is A. Hercules. Plants have a touch response known as what? The answer is A. Thigmotropism. A compass cannot be used on the moon. What factor is responsible for this? The answer is A. Lack of a magnetic field. Which star is visible during the day and can be seen from Earth without a telescope? The answer is D. Mercury. What does oven refer to in kitchen context? The answer is D. Heating appliance. A student freezes some orange juice. Which of the following statements best describes how the orange juice is different after it is frozen? The answer is C. It stays in one shape. Which capital city is the most populous in South America? The answer is A. Sao Paulo. What is the smallest unit of structure and function of all living organisms? The answer is B. The cell. What disorder is characterized by extreme mood swings that include periods of mania and depression? The answer is B. Bipolar disorder. Winds moving air masses causes what?